Okay, bro.
This is the place called Palani. This is on the way to the hills, Kodaikanal we are going now. And this is kind of town, and there is a big temple here. So many people are always coming as a pilgrimage. And sooner we will be going to the hills where the people are living, and we will be doing our health service there. So many of us are here, especially our managing director and our staff members are here. And one of the pastors, Christian pastor, is taking us to the tribal place, and he is also our coordinator in Kodaikanal. And we are planning to help those people with some food also along the medicines in this day. We are hoping to reach there maybe in half an hour or so to the first place where the tribals are living. And the tribals are living on a small hill, on a rock, and we are going to see that, and we pray you will also go with us to see that place.
Please come with us.
Please come with us.